Hello and welcome. My name is Theodore.
And my name's Patrick.
And today we're going to be bringing you into a deep dive of Etsy.
That's right, and we believe Etsy is a fantastic stock.
We should start off with the question, what is Etsy? Etsy is an online marketplace that operates fully through its website, Etsy.com. Etsy offers individuals the chance to become entrepreneurs, and Etsy is unique compared to the other online retailers because its marketplace prioritizes the creative and specialized goods of individuals and small businesses. Moreover, Etsy offers specialized services such as Etsy payments, Etsy shipping labels, pattern and promoted listing, but most importantly, Etsy has a huge growth potential. So let's get into it. Here's the industry overview, and Etsy's main competitors are just the other online retailers. And as said before, Etsy is unique because of its online marketplace and because that marketplace specializes in the unique goods sold by these entrepreneurs.
Now we will look at the financial overview. As of right now, March 20th of 2020, the stock price has had a huge drop, and this can be attributed to the coronavirus outbreak. This outbreak is a tragedy, and it has caused major stock indexes to drop. For example, the Dow Jones Industrial Average has reached historic lows simply because of the coronavirus outbreak, and Etsy is no different. Etsy in itself is a highly valued growth stock, which is evidenced by its PE ratio of 41.70. This high PE ratio tells us that investors are expecting rapid growth out of Etsy's stock. And this is true because over the past few years, it has had rapid growth. But the moment this economic downturn occurred because of the coronavirus outbreak, investors lost confidence in Etsy, and this caused its stock price to have the massive drop it did. Despite all of this, Etsy has had a strong 2019 and an especially strong fourth quarter of 2019. This is evidenced by this graph here. This graph shows us that Etsy has had a huge drop in the stock price right where this coronavirus outbreak really started going hard. But prior to that, it had some good growth because of the strong fourth quarter earnings that were reported by Etsy.
So why should you buy? Well, you should buy now because Etsy's stock price is exceptionally low, and Etsy is bound to grow, as you will see, throughout their current performance and their future outlook. Moreover, after this outbreak, we predict that Etsy will have large gains for years to come.
First, we'll look at the current performance of Etsy. CEO John Silverman has outlined a long-term growth plan called Keep Commerce Human, and this long-term growth plan has had great success and growth. This can be shown by the stock price jumping 350% in the past 3 years. This is a doubling of the price every year for the past 3 years, which is a fantastic thing. Furthermore, we can see that the fiscal year 2019 revenue was $818 million. This is a 35.6% year-to-year increase from 2018 to 2019. And also, this growth outbeat analysts' expectations. Analysts expected it to only grow by 15%, but instead it grew by almost 36%, which is over double. Next, we can see that the 2019 gross merchandise sales, also known as GMS, was $5 billion. This is a 26.5% year-to-year growth from 2018 to 2019. More outstanding growth. And the CEO tells us that we can expect this growth through fiscal year 2020 and beyond. And this is evidenced by the table shown here. This is a table showing from 2018 to 2019 growth of various factors, such as marketplace revenue and services revenue, and all of them have grown by over 20% on the year-to-year basis. We can also see that Etsy is growing in one of the most crucial aspects, buyers. Companies like Etsy, who are online retailers, rely on online buyers to come to their website and buy products from their vendors on their website. And we can see that Etsy is succeeding in this aspect. From 2018 to 2019, Etsy has seen a growth of 23% for habitual buyers. And habitual buyers are defined as people who spend $250 or more on the website and also can visit the website 2 to 3 times a week. And this growth shows us that they are retaining these customers. Furthermore, the graph shows us that it has also had a growth in multiple purchase day buyers. These are people who are buying on multiple days of the year rather than buying at a one time. This shows us that Etsy is indeed attracting those customers back to buy more products off their website. The 20% year-to-year growth is just evidence of that fact.
And looking at another factor of their current performance, we can see here that Etsy utilizes their employees effectively. Looking at this peer group analysis, we can see that from 2015 to 2019, Etsy's revenue per employee skyrocketed and is now well above the peer group average. And this is great and showing great things for Etsy in the years to come. Moreover, Etsy has a huge international influence. Their international growth merchandise sales was 37% of their total GMS in 2019, which was a 26% increase from 2018. Moreover, Etsy is utilizing foreign marketing and international domestic trade routes to help boost their international influence. As seen by this chart here, you can see the diversity of international sellers that use Etsy and how much of a hold Etsy has in other countries, such as the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and France.
Now we will look at the future outlook. First, we have off-site advertisements. If you look at the orange side of the table under summary, in 2019, Etsy's ads were only under Google Shopping and promoted listings, where promoted listings is simply the ads that Etsy offers on its website. But if we move to the blue side of the table, we can see in 2020, they are expanding to off-site advertisements on websites such as Google, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Bing. By expanding to this broader audience, they are bringing in customers who they didn't have before. And by bringing in new customers, they had the advantage of gaining these customers and having them become buyers who come back day in, day out and buying more products off of Etsy's online vendors. And we can see that Etsy itself is expecting a positive impact in the EBITDA at the bottom of the blue column. And since EBITDA is a good measure of a company's overall performance, we can indeed expect that by offering these offsite advertisements, we can expect an increase in sales and revenue in the company, which will lead to a higher stock price. Another part of future outlook would be the Great Shipping Initiative. 74% of listings in the US were listed with free shipping, but only 48% of those orders were received with that free shipping. And also, a recent study shows that only 12% of Etsy's buyers were even aware of the free shipping opportunities. Now, Etsy's implementing plans to increase buyer awareness of this free shipping, because if they can get their customers to realize that they indeed have free shipping, they can ensure that those customers are more likely to buy products off of Etsy's websites. Companies that are their competitors like eBay also offer personalized goods, but these personalized goods can often come with a high shipping cost that could be even triple the price of the product itself, especially if it is not purchased in bulk. But now Etsy can sell these individual products with free shipping, which will encourage these buyers to buy these products, and by encouraging them to buy these products, their sales will go up, their revenues will go up, and once again, their stock price will shoot up. Overall, we can see that there are some investment risks to Etsy. Number one would have to be economic downturn. Etsy's stock price is only low right now because of the coronavirus outbreak. And another surprise like the coronavirus outbreak could once again cause the stock price to drop. And these things cannot be predicted. Almost no one predicted the coronavirus outbreak to occur, and this could not occur without the stock prices. And this could not be a negative impact on the stock prices. Second, we look at the failure to complete programs. We can see that in this slideshow, we have outlined several programs such as the Free Shipping Initiative and the Offsite Advertising Initiative. And these initiatives are meant to boost Etsy's sales. And if they are not completed, these sales will not occur, less earnings, and these less earnings lead to a lower stock price.
As you well know, the world is crazy right now. People are in self-quarantine, there's no school, and boredom is taking over the minds of each generation. Accompanying all of these things is high employment, and with that high employment comes a need of additional income and more free time spent at home. All of these factors combined are leading people to need a new hobby and additional income. As a result, people are going to turn towards Etsy to find that additional income and to find a hobby to fill in their free time. So why choose Etsy? As you've seen, Etsy has excellent current performance as their stock price has increased 350% in the last 3 years, as well as Etsy has had a 26.5% increase in their growth merchandise sales over the last year. So as you've seen, Etsy is bound to grow, and you need to buy now to capitalize upon this chance. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.